Today we have the 2019 Audi A4. This vehicle has done just under 35,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, smartphone integration, radio and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below we have our 3-zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our drive select button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.